Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
The picture they have for their CD cover. Oh my gosh.
Won't be repeated in Spanish until
Literally, the car that was next to me. I was behind this car and they slowed down completely, and I thought they were gonna like stop or something.
2701 Brill Road. I need you here immediately. Some lady just rammed her vehicle into one of my employees' vehicles and into the front of our business.
I literally tried to swerve out of her way.
Yeah, she's still here, but I don't know if she's trying.
There was a car. Okay. The car that was in front of me completely.
No, they're fine. Lisa's freaking out.
And no turn signal or anything. No.
If they kept going straight, how did they even affect you?
They literally completely. I thought they were stopping, and like I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go around them. No turn signal or anything.
So you went in opposite lanes of traffic.
I tried to just like get out of their way because they started turning, and like right here, my brakes are going out.
So they started turning right here, so you tried to turn this way to go around them?
I didn't know. I couldn't go straight into him, so I had to go like left. I tried to like just get
But
out
if he
of his
started
way.
turning, why would
And
you start turning
slid
also?
Because I didn't have enough time to brake. My car was like going like
Let it young nigga. I'm trying to give him tail. I'm trying to
Did you not know there were kids there? Did you not know that you were supposed to stop? There were kids there, you know? Because you could have hit someone.
I mean, that's Spanish effing omelet was, wow. Tall. Thank you.
because it is really an externally imposed, or at least an externally understood category.
Another you have probably heard is Latinx. In 2018, Merriam-Webster incorporated the term after it became widely used by young adults. Latinx is simply used as a
Jeez.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.